Hello, this is Brian Thomas with Industrial Safety Controls. We're going to be talking about DOLD Safemaster STS and their modularity of incorporating electromechanical interlocking systems. What we're going to be doing here is I'm going to show you a basic setup, and I'll show you another evolution of that product using the base components and then adding some components. And you'll see by the time we get done that we can create a number of different products and add on to it using the same basis. Here's our very first one. This is just your basic interlock switch. This would be attached to the door, attached to the module. But look what I can do here. I take this off, I take this off, and I'm going to take a little break and we're going to put another one together for you. Alrighty, here we are. We're back to our next evolution of the electromechanical aspect of trapped key interlocking. So what I've done here is I've inserted a trapped key in the front and on the side. This could be a sliding door. So I can't take this key out. The reason it is, it's trapped because the key here is still in place. So what needs to happen is you remove the key. Now you can open up the door, and ideally you take the key with you. If you can see what I've done here, modularity, twist, release, twist, release. All right, so here's our next evolution of the DOLD Safemaster STS. We've got two trapped keys. Again, vision is attached to a sliding door or some type of gate. So in this case, again, I cannot open up the door until either one of the trapped keys come out. But on this one, it has to be a sequence. I can't pull the top key out first. I have to pull the bottom key out. Again, still won't allow the door to open, but we have to go in a sequence. So this would be a case where you have multiple operators going in, and you always want to make sure that both keys are removed. And there you go, you have your second key. 1, 2, operators go in, they do whatever jobs they need to. This comes back out. If they don't put the keys back in, this doesn't go in and create a cam system. It goes in, obviously, but it's not going to start this switch and close the contacts in the electrical part of the switch. In order to complete that, so that they're out of the work cell, they close the door, puts his key back in here, and in this case, the other key's not back in there. This can't come out, and the machine can't start until this key comes back in. Goes back there. Now you can go hit a reset button or cycle start, and you're back up to speed. So remember, they're trapped because these keys are in place. Again, all modular, twist, 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 and you're off. So remember, there's a back plate for all of these that these are all going to be mounted to. So you're not going to be able to do it and disassemble it like I just did out in the field.